Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Yais and welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I will be showing you how I prepare or I shape this delicious delicacy, this fried tilapia, dodo sauce and fried yam. Okay, if you want to know how I shape this delicious delicacy, keep on watching to the very end of this video. This is my yam that I will be using for the frying of yam, and this is my dodo, and this is my fish. I've already cut and removed all those dirty from the fish. I'm going to seasoning it now. So after seasoning it, I will leave it for 30 minutes so that the seasoning can sink into the fish. Okay, so that's my ingredients: my ginger powder, my aroma and everything, garlic powder and some rosemary to seasoning the fish. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm mixing it thoroughly. So I've kept my fish for the seasoning to sink inside. So now I'll be washing my red, yellow and green pepper and scotch bonnet and onions that I will be using. So after washing, then I'm going to slice everything together in different ways. So the one I'm going to blend it. Okay, keep on watching guys, we are still here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is my dodo frying, my plantain and my yam too, and I add some water into the in order for it to cook very well. And this is my fish. After frying the fish, I will go ahead and prepare my sauce. So I'm going to add some oil to the pot, then I will add a little bit of salt into the pot. Then after then I will add my onions. After adding my onions, then I will stir together and allow it to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then I will add my bay pepper, onions, scotch bonnet that I blended together. So look at it, that is what I'm doing there. So after adding all these things, then I will stir together and add my seasonings, my ingredients: the rosemary, ginger powder and aroma, and the seasoning. So now I'll be adding my seasoning cube. After adding, I will stir, then I cover it to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. My seasoning has been cook for 6 to 5 minutes. This is it. So the seasoning have separated itself from the oil, as you can see. So this time I will be adding my green, yellow and onions. This is optional. If you don't want, you can skip this part, but I like my sauce like this. That's why I'm adding all these things. So it looks so delicious and healthy too. You can give it a try if you want. So after this, I cover for it to cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it's ready. Look at it. This is my sauce ready to go. As you can see, this is my sauce is ready, and this is an end of this video. This is it. Our delicacy, our sweet tilapia fish and sauce and dodo and fried yam. So if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video to your loved ones. See you all in my next video. Bye.